Hello friends, today we discuss very common subject in private organizations, employees, job resignation and precautions. We all face these problems while submitting our resignation. Please take care about these steps. First step is after receiving your new employer's job confirmation only you tender your resignation to your current working firm. Without receiving any letter, don't submit your resignation. It may be harmful to you. You may lose this job also, and you will not get that job also. Please take care about this. And don't share your colleagues and your friends currently where you are working. Directly approach to your boss. Don't submit emails through emails or any other media. Submit directly to your boss only your resignation, and at least 2 weeks prior information is necessary. Some big companies 1 month notice is compulsory. It depends upon your working experience and your nature, your nature and your liaising with your current company, with your HR, depending upon terms with your boss. If he is very favorable boss, he allow you and he guide you and he promote you to go another company freely. If he is free-minded. If he is very fickle-minded, he may disturb you. If any dispute, he may put objections. Be careful. HR also plays key role. Be careful. First take current month salary. After credit to your account only you submit your resignation letter to your boss. Salesperson need to take care about their settlements with you customers. They are dealing any pending issues, otherwise they may lose lot of amounts while full and final payment amount time. Need to surrender your laptop, mobile, other gadgets, shoes, dress, any other facilities given by company you need to submit. And pending work is also working status, and surrendering your work to another employee is also necessary step. If any pending issues, they may not release your letter. Company may offer last minute promises like in future they will give you promotion and hike your salary. They may their intention to stop you. After that, once you stop here, they may not remember your promise. Be careful about this and be careful full and final payment. Otherwise, they may deduct unreasonable amounts and causes delay and stop issuing letter of NOC, relieving letters, take care. And also surrendering your work to another employees, those who are taking your work, is also necessary steps. Through system, you need to submit all the pending issues and guidance to current employee, those who are replacing in place of you. This is the necessary step. Fulfill all these formalities and impress your boss and maintain good relations, and then only you will get relieving letters. All the best. Take care of these are the very necessary steps. Don't be in hurry to jump one company to another company. You may lose lot of monetary benefits. Thank you very much.